If you need to increase your daily wire transfer limit at Chase Bank, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Review current limits. Check your current daily wire transfer limit by logging into your Chase online banking account or mobile app. This information is typically found under the Account Settings or Transfer Limits section. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Prepare any required documentation or information that Chase may need to process your request. This could include your account number, identification, and details about the reason for the limit increase. Step 3. Contact customer service. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the @.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Complete required forms. If needed, fill out any forms or applications provided by the bank to formally request the increase in your wire transfer limit. Ensure all information is accurate and complete to avoid delays. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for Chase to review and confirm the increase. You may receive a notification via email or through your online banking account once the change has been approved. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your daily wire transfer limit at Chase Bank. Always ensure to keep your account information secure and updated.